Hello there everyone, this is Felix from Felix the Dev, where coding is a lifestyle. And for those who are new to my channel, my name is Felix, and on this channel I help people learning how to code, also computer science students completing their degrees. So if you like videos like this one that can help in your journey, then click on the subscribe button. Also click on the bell icon so you don't miss a video, because I post videos every week that can help you in your journey. So what are we going to talk about today? Today we're going to talk about what are some of the coding skills you can learn by pursuing a bachelor's degree in computer science. And why should we talk about this? Maybe you're in the position that you've decided to start a bachelor's degree in computer science, or you just want to learn how to code but you don't know what route to take. So I'm going to share my experience on the route that I took, which was available for me at the time, which was going to college and finishing my degree in computer science, my bachelor's degree, doing my bachelor's degree in computer science. So this way, it can serve as a mentorship and guidance to see if it's the right decision for you, or just help you in some way. You know, I'm not a guidance counselor, but I just want to share my experience. Maybe I can help someone out there who needs it. So what's the first coding related skill that I learned through the years in completing my bachelor's degree in computer science? Is number one is the fundamentals. And these skills are the ones that I call the fundamentals, such as if-else statements, loops, variables, functions. And these are the building blocks that we learned on the programming language that we used, which was C++. And these concepts, we learned them on a theoretical and practical level. So these concepts, we use them to build simple programs and more complex as well. And some of these concepts I still use to this day as a professional software developer. So that's why I want to stress the importance of these skills that you learn through this time, because they are the building blocks to help you understand how to write code. And also you take other courses that you start from the bottom up. And what I'm trying to do with that analogy is to show you that you're going to learn how your code interacts with your computer, how it works in the background, and how the computer handles your code when it's when you want to run it on a machine. So it's going to teach you very fundamental ideas to let you know how things work on the background, and which is great because it's going to give you the fundamental or solid foundation that you can build as years go by. So this is the first thing that I learned, the first coding related skill as a undergraduate student in computer science. So tip number two, guys. The second one was data structures. And these, after I took the introduction to programming course, because it was required at the time, and it still is, I think, you know, that was a long time ago. After I took this course, the introduction one, we took data structures. And essentially, data structures, what you do is you find ways, or you learn ways to store your data in a way that you can perform operations to it, such as accessing it or maybe sorting it. These are just examples, but that's the overall idea. And what you're going to do is that you're going to implement structures or theoretical concepts using the programming language of choice, which in that course was Java. And we implemented things like stacks, queues, linked lists, and other types of data structures using the fundamental ideas we learned on the previous course, such as if-else statements. We also used arrays. So using the previous concept, you learn how to implement these structures, which is very important, because then when I started to apply for jobs, a lot of these questions were asked. So this is just to give you a heads up. So this course is very, very, very important. So you're going to learn this skill, how to implement these structures and how to store data in different ways. And you're going to learn the difference between each structure, and you're going to build like a tool set which you can later on use when you need them, you know, so this is very important. So tip number 3, the third skill that I learned, coding related skill, was analysis of algorithms. And basically on this course, what we did was learn how to pinpoint areas in our code to make some adjustments or changes to make it run more efficiently in terms of speed and other metrics. And this is a very important coding skill in my opinion, because when you turn into a professional and you start doing large-scale applications, you want to look for ways that you can make your code run faster, because this way you're going to produce an application when your users start interacting with it that runs fast and delivers results. This way your users don't get frustrated, and if they get frustrated, they're not going to use it, they're not going to recommend it. So that's what I think this course, the overall idea, because I'm just giving you an overall view in a nutshell, not to go very technical. That's not the important thing. Well, I mean the purpose, my purpose of this video is just to express the overall skill that we learned, and which was in this course. And we also learned about time complexity, you know, big O notation, which are more the technical concepts. But basically, the overall skill that I learned, this skill and also other on this course or other courses I took, was to take a look at my code and see, okay, I can change this, change that, so it can run faster and it can perform at a higher level. So that's a very important skill, I think, and I learned it through the bachelor's degree in computer science I completed. So there you have it, guys, some coding related skills that you can learn by pursuing a bachelor's degree in computer science based on my experience. Like I said, I'm not a guidance counselor. This was just sharing my experience to help you, to help out someone out there. You never know. So if you like this video, click that like button. Also share it with a friend. You might never know, it might help them in some way or another. So share it with your friends, your family, or someone who needs it. And comment down below, what are you currently learning as a computer science student? I would like to know, coding related skill wise. So drop it on the comments and click on the like button. Also, don't forget to subscribe and to follow me on Twitter as Felix the Dev. Let me say it again. Follow me on Twitter as Felix the Dev. So this was all for today, guys. My name is Felix from Felix the Dev, and I will see you on the next video. I hope you guys have a great week. Take care.